Hi everyone, this is Mary, and it's day 1 of our big 40-day Christmas challenge. Today, we're going to evaluate the past. If we don't learn from the mistakes of the past, we are destined to repeat them. So let's learn. Let's evaluate past Christmases. What went right? What went wrong? What do we want to do this year? And I want you to write this down. Paper and pen, on your phone, however it is that you take notes. Answer this question. What do I want this holiday season to be like? What do you want to do this year that you didn't do last year? What do you want to change that you did last year that you never want to do again? Just think about it. Create a plan and then stick with it. I'll see you tomorrow. Debt-Proof Living with Mary Hunt is created and hosted by me, Mary Hunt. Produced by Julie Emerson with Harold Hunt, executive producer. Save time, save money every day, and make it easy on yourself. Subscribe at everydaycheapskate.com. That's where you will find all the ways you can follow Mary, Everyday Cheapskate, and Debt-Proof Living. Thanks for listening.